Alright everybody, this is our room, room 224. Come in, got the bathroom. Your hand wash, body lotion. Okay, I was saying, got your hand wash, got body lotion, got towels, makeup removers, washcloths, hair dryer, more towels, toilet. In here they got shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. I would think it would be up closer, but that's alright. Got a couple things there. Got the grab bar. Got tissue here, toilet paper. Got a nice size mirror. And here's your closet, ironing board, laundry bag, iron, the suitcase holder thing. Got the two lights. This is the king size bed. There we go. Little phone. Got a light right here. Got two big drawers. Trash can underneath. There's actually three big. There's a good sized TV. It's probably 42-ish. I'm not sure. Got a little desk we just got here, so it's right from my stuff. Another light. Got your coffee, Keurig. Had your ice bucket over here, which I moved it over. The air and heat. I got a window. There we are, the thing right there. And pull that closed a little more, maybe. Nice light here, a little chair, table. Probably I'll sleep on this side. And that's pretty much all the room. Oh, wait a minute. Microwave and refrigerator. This direction, yeah. Enough pop. Yep. So that is our room tour in Holiday Inn Express in Glasgow, Kentucky.